this is our home page, and as you can see below, we have mentioned three categories. And the first one is book a tailor, second is boutique collection, and the third one is our fabric collection. And we have also included a how it works section so that the customers can view this and they can easily navigate to our website. And below this we have added a feature product section also, where all the feature products will be displayed. Now to book a tailor, customer have to click on this tab, book a tailor. And after clicking, so this is our tailor booking page. And to view the tailors near them, they have to insert their address, or either they can click on this geolocation button, so automatically it will take the location and will display the tailors near them. So as you can see, these are the tailors which we are currently on board with us, and the ratings and the expertise will be displayed here. Now to book a particular tailor, the customer have to click on visit, and after clicking on visit, the virtual store of the tailor will be displayed. And now below that, in the product section, all the services offered by that particular tailor will be displayed. So as you can see, these are the services offered by the tailor with the pricing and the ratings. Now to book a particular product, they have to click on the product. Suppose it is suit stitching. So once clicking on suit stitching, the pricing and the categories of the suit will be displayed. So as you can see, there are two-piece suit, three-piece suit, and double-breasted and tuxedo. So all of these have different pricing according to the different tailors. Now we have also given an option to select a date for which the customer have to visit. Like the customer want the tailor to visit their home. So here, the customer can select the date, and there is also option to show whether like click whether they have the measurements or not. Now after selecting these details, the customer have to click on add to cart, and after clicking add to cart, the product will be added to the cart. And by clicking on checkout, the customer can book the tailor selected by them. And this is the normal checkout process. The first customer have to log in, and then there is a billing address, shipping address, and finally they have to they have to pay, and the tailor will be booked.
And also we have a boutique collection. So all the boutique stores, the products of the boutique stores are displayed here. So, and we have a wide range of categories both for men and women. And other than that, we also have fabric. We have partnered with fabric stores, so we are selling fabrics in our platform. And these are the fabrics. This is the cart. And also we have an option if someone wants to check out the boutique stores near them, and then they can click here, and these are the stores, boutique stores.
So this is the about us page of our website. So as you can see, the tagline says bringing back the custom clothing trend. So this is the tagline of our business, and here we have mentioned all the things what we are and how all this works. And this is our mission to bring back the lost spark in the custom clothing industry. So yeah, this is about our website.